Good morning. Today we're going to take a look at the Runcam Nano 2. It is a 14 by 14 millimeter camera and it weighs 3.5 grams. It is powered by 5 volts. It can range from 3.3 to 5.5 volts, but I would stick to the 5 volt pad. It has a 700 TVL 1/3 inch CMOS sensor. So the possibility of jello is there because of the rolling shutter of CMOS sensors. The lens is 1.8 millimeter with a field of view of 170 degrees. It is NTSC, so the resolution of this camera is 700 by 525. Let's open it. So we have an adapter here for 19 by 19. The camera, let's just see what's inside. So we have a bunch of screws, short ones and long ones. The long ones you will be using when you're using the adapter, and the short ones when you're using it directly. And the camera itself. So it's got a focusing ring here and mounting points here. It's reinforced with brass. And it's got a Molex Pico blade connector. Let's weigh it. So it's 4.1 grams, which is heavier than the 3.5 grams on the box. They probably didn't include the wires and connector. So here it is, mounted on my Raycon Hell 76 HD. It's not HD anymore. And it fits quite nicely with the adapter. It's a little bit recessed, so it's probably better protected, but I'll probably also see part of the canopy in the FPV feed. Let's weigh it. So it's 46.4 grams, which is 10 grams lighter than with a Cadex Turtle V2. So it should fly much better. I've been flying this quite a lot, and I've crashed quite a lot also, so I've replaced 3 propellers. And I've dinged up the duct here, and here. There's a dent here. But it's pretty sturdy so far. Let's go flight some more. Right away you can see that the detail level is very good, as you can see from that leaf. The color reproduction is also good, and it handles the contrast between the ground and the sky very well. Ignoring the reception and the lower resolution, you can actually compare it to the Turtle V2's output. And I crashed it again. So that's it for my unboxing and overview of the Runcam Nano 2. It seems to be a good or even better alternative to the Cadex Turbo EOS 2, and I can't wait to see what Cadex will come out next. Thank you for watching.